Madam Siti Rohana Binti Mohammed. We are from Group 7 will be presenting about the Islamic financial market. Here are specific chapter, which is the Islamic equity market. What is the Islamic equity market? Islamic equity market is the stock traded to any economy because they provide capital to company. Then, representing ownership interest in corporation or financial assets. Next, the investor also receive equally distribution in any profit, known as dividend. This is the working of IEM, which is consist of ordinary shares, common stock, and preferred stock. Next is the initial public offering. IPO is the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public. It is also providing companies with opportunity to obtain capital by offering shares through primary market. IPO also have the advantages, which is the investor have access to investment from the entire investing public to raise capital. Then, it also can increase the company exposure, prestige, and public image, which can help the company's sales and profit. Next is the disadvantages of IPO. It is expensive, and the cost of maintaining are ongoing and unrelated to other costs of doing business. IPO also required to disclose financial, accounting, tax, and other business information. Move to the second part, which is the Shariah compliant equity securities. Here are the history of SAC, established in May 1997, given authority for ascertainment of Islamic law for the purpose of Islamic banking, as reference body and advisor of BNM on Shariah matters. Here how the SAC works. SAC receive input and support from Securities Commission, SE. That SE gather information on the companies from various sources, such as company annual financial reports, company responses to survey forms, and through inquiries made to the respective company's management. The third part, which is the Shariah screening of stock in Malaysia, the SC responsible for determining the Shariah compliant stock and the Shariah index through its very own SAC. The SC obtained information on the companies through, among others, annual reports and required made to the company. The SAC through SE would continue to review the Shariah status securities listed on Bursa Malaysia. Then, the analysis is done at the company, subsidiaries and associate company level. Next is the fourth part, which is the Shariah screening methodology. There are two methods, which is the business screen and the financial screen. The business screen focused on the commercial activities of the business, while the financial screen is conversion of the prohibited activities into Shariah compliant. Move to the fifth part, which is the component of an Islamic equity markets. First is the Islamic mutual fund, which is a unity trust. It is simply an investment scheme that pool funds from numerous individuals. The fund managers manage the pool of fund by investing it in a stock, bonds, cash money market instrument. For example, ADIB Islamic World Equity Fund. Next is the Islamic Exchange Trade Fund. It is an exchange trade fund that passively managed and invest in a portfolio that tracks closely an underlying stock index. For example, Bursa Malaysia. Next is the Islamic Real Estate Investment Trust, which invest mainly in real estate or property-related investments. For example, Al Salam REIT, KLCC REIT. And the last one is the Islamic Private Equity Fund that established to attract and manage fund from high net worth individual and institution. Here is the best hello stock trading apps, Islamically apps.